The defining moment in my career is when I realized there were seriously injured people out there that really couldn't cope with life because they couldn't afford to provide for their families. They couldn't go to work, they couldn't pay their bills, and at some point they'd end up homeless if they didn't have proper representation. Everybody has a story, everybody has value, everybody has worth. My job is to tell the compelling story so that the cases settle. The righteous care about justice for the poor. In my practice, I always try to put myself in the shoes of the client and treat them the way I would want to be treated. Insurance companies are very happy to try to win a war of attrition, try to wear your client down. We go out of our way to make sure that doesn't happen. You really want to hire the best possible professional team that you can get. You want a firm that's not afraid to walk away from a bad settlement offer. When Napoleon fought in some of his greatest battles, he had the artillery. We've got the artillery.
On the 12th of March 2019, I had an accident. I was rear-ended. After the accident, I started having pain in my back. I had a lawyer who couldn't tell me what to do exactly at the time. I was scared I couldn't be who I've always wanted to be, this vibrant young man. Meeting Attorney Dan was like a shining light in the darkness. He reassured me that it will help me get my life back. Dan took me through the process. He actually sent me to scans and MRIs that showed the exact problems that I had. After the whole thing, he got me a very good settlement. Buttafuoco is like a big ocean that I cannot exhaust. Come to the waters and drink some water and have peace. That's what Buttafuoco is to me.
I was at work on a ladder welding some pipe. The ladder did like a wiggle and I fell backwards off the ladder, landed on the floor, cement. I got real scared because I couldn't feel a thing from my neck down. My biggest fear was just losing all function in my body and being paralyzed. I can't do the heavy lifting that I used to do at work. Concerning my medical treatment, it was definitely a struggle. It was frustrating. But with the Buttafuoco firm, with Dan, they helped me so much on getting what I needed physically and medically. Without them, I probably would have been fighting to this day for the medical care I needed. I would highly recommend the Buttafuoco firm. I feel like a friend more than just a client.
If I could help fix the world in some small way, it makes me very happy and gives me a great sense of satisfaction. My promise to my clients is that I will always, 100% of the time, put my client's interest over mine. I will never take a settlement because I want to settle the case. I will only take a settlement if it works for them. You pay the same whether you get a really good lawyer that knows what they're doing or whether you get a mediocre lawyer who's just going to settle for the first offer that is thrown at him. So get the best lawyer you can get.